Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Gibbons, a 16-year-old entrepreneur who is currently embarking on an Amazon FBA journey. So if you're unaware of what Amazon FBA is, it is the business model where you find the product from manufacturers, you get it shipped to Amazon warehouses, and they pick it, they pack it, and they ship it out to the customers, dealing with all of the customer service, and that's the business model I'm getting into. So the first stage to that was making my limited company, and I just want to say how grateful I am for the support on that video. If you haven't already seen my last video, I've incorporated my limited company, and the amount of support, the comments from everyone, the love was just amazing. I'm super grateful for that. So thank you to anyone who liked or commented on that video. I really appreciate it. So, as I said, I'm going to be coming back with frequent update videos on my process. So, I have received 2 Companies House letters. One is the kind of congratulations, saying that you're incorporated, and you get like a little pack of the director's responsibilities in there, like a little leaflet. And then the second one was my activation code for the web filings website. So that's where you go and actually file your different confirmation statement, corporation tax, etc. So one thing I believe I'm waiting for is the limited company's UTR code, and that will come from HMRC instead of Companies House. So I did tweet out to HMRC and ask about that, because I have a UTR as a sole trader, but it is not the same. So apparently I'm still waiting on a limited company UTR code, which has not arrived yet. So if you've incorporated a limited company, just like a little bit of advice on when I should expect to receive the UTR code would be amazing to hear, because I'm quite impatient with this. I really want to open my business bank, but you need the company's UTR code for that. So I'm waiting on that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's here. I think I read somewhere it's 21 days. So it has currently been about a week and a half since I incorporated. So we've still got another week and a half where the UTR code should come. And if it doesn't, then obviously I'll be contacting HMRC and finding out what's happened. But you know, guys, just another update video. I've got the letters. I can prove it. I've got them right here. I can't really show you too many details, but Companies House, and then yeah, okay, I'm not showing any, there's no details being shown here, but these are the 2 letters from Companies House. I believe the video might be backwards, I'm not sure, but they've come. So let me know where you are in your process, just if you're not doing Amazon FBA, just as an entrepreneur. So I'd love to have a chat with you guys, and I'm very grateful once again for all the support on my channel so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully my next video is going to be saying that I've got the UTR code, and then the business bank is on its way. I have to call the business bank up. I'm going with Barclays. Because I'm 16, I will have to use a parent. They'll have to come in and sort it out in a real life appointment, so I can't do it online. But apart from that, it's going great and I'm very excited. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content on this if you want to follow along with my journey. I'm 16, doing FBA very, very soon, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks very much again, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.